Hello everyone, and welcome to the first video here at Cash Couch. My name is Nick, and the purpose of this channel is to help you grow your financial education as well as your financial assets. Now, for the first video, I figured we would start with something pretty simple, be your top 5 ways to earn free cryptocurrency. Now, whether or not you're new to the whole crypto sphere or just want to grow your existing assets, this video is for you. So before we begin, please hit that like and subscribe button as a new channel. I would really appreciate getting an audience and helping to grow with you guys. So without further ado, let's get into it. So number 1 is freebitco.in. Now, I've been using this website for a few years now. You create an account, log in, collect free Satoshi every hour. Now, the beauty about this website is that once you get to about 30,000 Satoshi, you start collecting daily compounding interest. And daily compounding interest, as you may or may not know, means that they will pay you out a specific number of Satoshi, and every single day that interest will garner more interest and grow and continue to grow and snowball from there. So check out freebitco.in. They have a couple of different options on there. You can bet, you can complete games, gamble, do your whole thing. I just more or less use it for the interest. So that is freebitco.in. I will drop a link in the description. Number 2 is Earncrypto.com. Now, this website I actually started using when I first got into the crypto sphere. I didn't do too much research on crypto, was a little nervous. I had a friend who was like, yo, check out crypto, man, it's so dope, blah, 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 blah. So I was like, all right, man. So I wanted to get my toes wet, so I went to Earncrypto.com. Now, basic of this website is you complete some offers and they pay you out in crypto. They have a variety of different assets that you can earn, and you provide them with your wallet and cash out pretty easily. That is Earncrypto.com. Again, I will drop a link in the description. And number 3 here is actually a market for cryptocurrency. It is Coinbase.com. Now, downloading and creating a Coinbase account can be complex, but it doesn't really have to be. Once you're verified and up and running, they have a variety of different assets on there and offer you earn options. So they will add new assets, and typically with a new asset, depending on the asset, they will give you an option to earn that asset. Now, typically these earn offers are more or less just watch a video, complete a quiz, and poof, they pay you out in cryptocurrency. So that's just another way. Plus, you already have a market that you can purchase cryptocurrency when you do a little more research and want to spend money. So that is Coinbase.com, and I will drop a link in the description. And number 4 is Pay/Fold. So these are actually 2 different apps. They operate as a cashback sort of platform. You link your bank and your credit card and continue on as you typically would. So certain vendors or retailers, they offer you cash back for your purchases, but as opposed to your typical cash back, they will pay you in Bitcoin, which is honestly wonderful. So that is Pay/Fold. All you have to do is just download the apps, link your stuff, and begin earning. Number 5 are faucets. Now, there are a variety of different faucets. These basically you log in at a set period of time, collect, or wait for it to build up and collect. These are more or less what I like to call crypto dust. You're not going to get a crazy amount, but you'll get some. And if you continue to collect and collect, eventually you'll get a small amount of cryptocurrency that you may be able to hold on to or sell for other cryptocurrencies, whatever fits your goals. So these are faucets. You can go onto Google, type in whatever sort of asset faucet you want, and it should pop up. Now, some of these can be ridiculous scams, or some of them are legit. I believe it's the coin pot faucets, the moon faucets. Those ones are pretty good. I've used them before, and those typically pay out once you reach to a certain amount of the asset. So that is your top 5 ways to earn free cryptocurrency. As I said before, please hit like and subscribe, and I will continue to produce content for you. Thank you very much.